Welcome back. Today's lesson is about multiplication. It's going to be super fun and super easy. Let's get started. Multiplication is a math operation that uses a special sign. It looks like this. It's two little lines crossed over each other. When you see that tiny sign, it means we are going to multiply numbers together. And multiplication is a super simple math trick that helps us add the same number again and again, but way faster. So instead of doing lots of adding, multiplication helps us get the answer in just one quick step. But first, I want to tell you a short, funny story that happened yesterday. I left a note on our friend Python's fridge, and the note said, "Don't forget to bring me 2 apples." Now, Python is a really good friend, but he forgets things a lot. So every time he walks into the kitchen, he sees the note again. And every single time, he grabs 2 apples, puts them in a box, and leaves them at my door again and again and again. And this is how my doorstep looks today. Wow, look at all those boxes. Can you count how many boxes are here? I'll give you a second. Yes, 3. Great job. You're amazing. And now, can you tell me how many apples are in each box? Yes, 2 apples. Great job. So if we want to count how many apples we have all together, we could say 2 plus 2 plus 2 apples, because we have 3 boxes and each box has 2 apples. And this is exactly where multiplication comes in. Remember what we said earlier? Multiplication helps us when we want to add the same number many times, but faster. In our example, we are adding 2 apples 3 times. So instead of writing 2 plus 2 plus 2, we can write it faster using multiplication. 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. Let's understand what each number means. The 2 means there are 2 apples inside one box. The 3 means there are 3 boxes. And the answer, 6, means we have 6 apples in total. So in math class, a simple multiplication example looks like this. 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. Now, can a computer do multiplication? Let's ask Python. Hey Python, can you multiply numbers? Oh, look at that. Python looks very confident about it. All right, so for a computer to do multiplication using Python, it needs 3 simple things. First, the first number you want to multiply. Second, the second number you want to multiply. And third, the math sign you want to use, the multiplication sign. And don't worry, nothing scary here. We're going to do it step by step together. Let's use our example. 2 multiplied by 3. So, the first number we want to multiply is 2. The second number we want to multiply is 3. And the math sign we will use is the multiplication sign. That's it. 3 simple pieces, ready for Python to use. But here's our new idea for today, and I really want you to remember it. In math class, we multiply using this sign, 2 little lines crossed. But in the Python language, we still do the same multiplication. We just use a different sign. In Python, the multiplication sign is the asterisk. So remember, the multiplication sign in math becomes asterisk in Python. All right, let's walk through the steps. Our example is 2 multiplied by 3. Now, remember from our past lesson, computers love things organized. So instead of just throwing numbers at the computer, we give them labels, like name tags. We will make 2 labels, first number and second number. First number will hold 2. Second number will hold 3. Now it's time to tell the computer what to do. We give it the multiplication instruction. So we write the first number, then the star asterisk, then the second number. So it looks like this. And that means 2 multiplied by 3. Finally, we can save the answer in a brand new label called result. So we write result equals first number multiplied by second number. That means 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. Let's quickly review what we did. First, we made a label called first number, and we put the number 2 inside it. Then we made another label called second number, and we put the number 3 inside it. Next, we told the computer to multiply them, and we saved the answer in a label called result. And finally, we write print, open parenthesis, result, close parenthesis. That tells the computer, show me the answer on the screen. And that's it! Great job today! Next time, we're going to see multiplication happen live. You don't want to miss it. See you in the next lesson!